BuildIT Construction is a new software platform for AEC professionals powered by Faro. As the first complete solution for continuous construction verification, BuildIT Construction enables users to validate the design, perform dimensional evaluations, and position and monitor in real time. In this video, we will take a look at a floor flatness evaluation using the Faro Focus Scanner and the Tracer M laser projector. First, BuildIT Construction connects wirelessly to your Faro Focus Scanner to acquire and analyze live scan data from a large room or construction site. The software can then extract the floor out of the point cloud and display a topographical map of the deviations. BuildIT Construction also allows you to perform the standard ASTM E1155 floor flatness analysis. Next, you can easily connect a Faro Tracer M to BuildIT and align it to the point cloud. The tracer can be used to project a topographical map to show the deviations. The curves can be projected in real time on the ground. Lastly, you can generate customized reports for your records. To see how you can do this, along with other quality assurance and quality control applications, download your free trial today at builditsoftware.com.